everybody. So the delivery man was here again, and it looks like it's another piece for Lisa's Ace, and I believe it is the rear windshield. So without delay, I think we'll get at it. It says that on here it says that I got to remove the staples first, so we'll I guess there's a high risk of scratching the windshield if you don't, which I guess makes sense.
And I'm a little concerned that it only goes up to 2018, even though on the site it said 2019.
So if I can do this without breaking the tip off of my jackknife. Or stabbing myself with it. There's one.
How many are there?
I think there's one right there.
Too many. Too many.
This is so good for your blade to do this.
I hate those kind of staples.
They're big uns.
They are big uns.
Also, even the bird's giving me advice. Pull to the left, pull to the right. Yeah, there was another staple there, all right. Oh, there's another one there too.
So I guess you got to be careful when you take it out that you don't scratch it.
Well, that makes sense. Yeah, they certainly didn't spend money on protecting it inside the box. I'll tell you that. Do you recall where we got this from?
Yes, EMP, Extreme Metal Products.
All right, so these here, this is plastic or the rubber trim that goes along the bottom, and then the clamps that put it onto the roll cage itself. So you'll be seeing this out at the camp or else out in nature's garage. This is it. So it'll go like that.
Does it look too big?
Window. Well, we won't know till we actually put it on.
It looks a little wide.
Extrusion direction. Good. So we know our extrusion direction for once. So now when someone tells us that they're going to tell us where to go, we can say, we already know we're going to our extrusion direction. So that is going to be one of the first and easier installs on her little Ace. Earlier we got the tires, wheels, and springs from Bandit. So we'll be doing that as well. So
busy weekend.
Yeah, busy cold weekend. So we're gonna do the windshield now, and we're blessed to know that it didn't come with instructions. So if anyone can mess it up, I'm your man.
Yeah,
so,
you're the man.
I'm the man.
You're the man.
So it's got these rubber pieces.
Oh, there's two pieces. I thought we were going to have to cut them.
One. Remember those commercials?
Yep.
Was it Certs?
No, two
mints in one. That was the Certs.
Was it
Remember?
Certs?
Yeah, they filled in the hole with little red or blue flavor blasters.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay.
Right, so I'm going to guess this one goes here by its size. Then I'm going to guess that this one goes here
by its size.
By its size.
Yay, you.
Yay, me. I didn't get dropped on the head as a baby too many times.
Nope.
Not me.
Wait, we got to take that.
We
got to take that stuff off.
I can see clearly that you have thought this through.
No, I have not thought it through.
What a sound.
I know. I was just going to say that.
Good gracious.
It was suffering. It was suffering.
And so are the people watching our videos. No, I'm kidding. We're glad to have you, honest.
Well, they may be suffering watching us.
That's right. Sorry, we don't offer danger pay.
Combat pay.
Come on.
Oh, what is this? Extrusion direction.
That's right. Remember, we were talking about extrusions?
Okay, so if anybody is wondering, we got this at Extreme Metal Products. It was, I think,
Made of plastic.
$125 or $129. I got a 10% off coupon, yay me, but they do charge for shipping. So basically I saved like, I don't know, 10 cents. But at least I didn't need to pay for shipping. So that's a good thing. I think you need to pull that over a little bit so it's even on both sides. You know I'm not going to like it if it's not even on both sides.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it on.
Let's get it on. Don't go scratching my windshield.
I'm not. I got body oil to protect it.
Yeah. What's that? What's the mushroom? I don't know. You're going to have to pull it down, though. Why is it clicking?
Well, there's a little thing in there that grabs onto the plastic. There we go. Now I got it.
Oh. Ah, you're going to get all fingerprints all over the plastic. Listen to him go. It's not even. You got to push over here a little bit better.
It's so easy being the camera person, isn't it? Well, I'm getting blistered.
Oh, we put the pretty one out front.
Thank you, dear. God bless you. Bless your heart.
I know what that means.
There. I think
Remember one thing. You fall asleep before me.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
It actually hurts the hand.
So we just have to, can we cut that little piece off or no? Isn't there metal in there? Guess we could just leave it.
No one's ever gonna see it.
I'll see it.
Man, I don't think there's metal in there. I think this is just plastic and rubber.
Oh, how does it go? How does it seal then like it did?
Well, maybe there is a little bit of metal in there.
Told you so.
Yeah.
You know, when I kind of thought when we bought it that there was a rear windshield, and then I looked and I'm like, oh, there's no rear windshield. Where did it go?
Yeah, we were wondering maybe if it actually had blown off.
Yeah. So we were looking at pictures going, I could have sworn there was a rear windshield. It's a good thing we pay attention to what we buy. The glasses go on.
Well, I'm just trying to...
And I guess I really didn't need a rear windshield, but...
Oh, yeah, now you say so.
But I wanted one.
I want it. I want it. I want it.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna hold my breath until I get one.
No, I just don't talk to you for days.
That's nice.
I don't need to hold my breath.
I'm having troubles with this one.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, our battery is almost dead, so I'm going to pause this, and we'll come back once we fight. Okay, battery's changed. Rubber is on.
Hand is sore.
Hand is sore. And now we have to put on the...
Do we put these on now, or should we put it in place and see which way these go?
I could tell you that this is going to go on the outside of the bar. This is going to have to wrap around the bar, so the screw is going to have to go through that hole. And then this is going to wrap around the bar.
Oh, is that how it goes?
I think so. Because once you put it in place, you're not going to be able to access the screw.
Well, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, now I gotta go get tools.
I told you needed tools.
No, I thought you said you're a tool.
No, I didn't. I said you need tools.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Now that the camera's running, you're changing the story.
Yep, I am.
You have tools right here. Yeah.
Oh, look at this. He has tools right there. I mean, I think that that's the way it goes. I mean, if you put them the other way, right? Because this is going to be, this side's going to be on the outside. So these are going to have to be on the inside. That's kind of logical. It's always a size issue, isn't it?
Not touching that.
Kind of interesting. I mean, this wasn't a bad deal for $129.
For what it seems like we're getting, I would argue that it's pretty decent, to be
Yeah.
honest with you.
Because I did want to buy the one for $250.
Of course you did.
Of course I did.
Okay, so let's just install one to see if it's right before we install all four and then realize
It's wrong.
that all four are wrong.
I think it's right though, but okay.
So I'm gonna guess. Is that washer gonna stay there, or is it gonna fall off and then I'll never find it?
That seems to be something that we do a lot,
so
isn't
this
it?
goes up like this. This is the outside.
Right.
So you're saying this goes on the outside?
Yeah.
It doesn't reach over to that.
Oh, wait.
No, it must go like this.
Then it has to go on the other side. Then it has, to go like that.
Like that. Oh,
But it's going to stick out. You lost the washer, didn't you?
no.
So, but it's going to stick out a little bit though, isn't it?
So if this goes,
Can that go? See if it goes into that little crevice. Wait a minute.
it's gonna have to go like that.
You sure that it doesn't? That the edge of that doesn't go
No,
into there?
Look how much plastic there is.
Oh yeah. Fine. Fine.
That's right there is what I reckon is the way it's supposed to be.
I think you reckoned right. I just think it's going to stick out quite a bit.
I don't know. So do we want to put on all four and really mess it up, or just try it first?
I mean, we could try it first.
Oh man.
Or well, let's just put on all four.
Let's just
I mean,
let's
there's-
just do it.
there's
Let's just go for it. Let's
There's
live
screws.
for today.
There's screws. They
And
can
I
come.
got several that are loose.
Yes. You know, it's not like, you know, we can't undo them. Don't crack the plastic,
Ooh,
please.
Good point.
Yeah.
All right, so I got all four of the little brackets on. As you can see, I put the bolt with a large washer through the glass, through the rubber, and then secured it on the back side. They're snug right now, 'cause in case I have to wiggle it a little bit to get it in place.
We had to loosen the roof.
So,
Uh-oh. Can we slide? We're going to have to slide it, honey.
okay. Okay. I'm just not sure how we're going to slide it. So we had to take off the bottom bracket on my side in order to slide it in because of the trunk. And I didn't want to go to all the hassle of taking the trunk off.
This has to go underneath.
Can I reach
Here.
it? There we go.
Okay.
Okay, you good?
Yeah, I don't know though, because this is sticking. This isn't going to go tight enough because of this bolt.
Well, we may have to lift it up. So
No, something's not right.
Good.
I'm wondering if we put these in backwards.
that's
That-
backwards.
Yeah.
How's that?
I mean, it's because here, before you put that in, come here.
I just want to put it finger tight so I don't lose the nut.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this, I don't know.
Right,
I mean,
but I think when it goes up, it'll see.
then look at your side.
Well, you know, there was a concern because you said that this might not fit the 2019.
Well, they said it was for the 2019, so
So what are you thinking? That these are
I'm
supposed to
wondering
be
if-
the other way?
yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I mean, no, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah. Okay, pull that over to your side, see if it works.
I got this issue with this bottom one again. Okay. Yeah.
No, because look at over here.
Fraggle Rock.
Well, I'm wondering if this part needs to be on the outside and this needs to be on the inside.
Okay, well, let's play with it. All right, so I figured it out. It was just a matter of, Lisa, let's trade places here for a sec.
Okay.
So when we first put it on, as you could see, I had it facing this way, when in fact they have to be facing that way. So it was just a simple matter of undoing the loose screw and turning these suckers around like that. And then I will retighten them. And then you just, it's like a belt. You just pull it over and you snap it onto the two little, see there's two little tabs right here? So you just line it up with these holes.
Easy on, easy off.
As some people would say, bada bing, bada boom, there you go, you got it. And Dolly now has a back windshield.
Yay.
So we could reattach our roof. There we go. One.
Yeah, I'll let you do it. I am not good
You
at
gonna
that.
let me? Oh, gee.
Yeah, thank you.
You're the best.
Now all we need to do is figure out this.
Oh, there you go.
The only thing I don't like, and I'm sure I'm never going to use them, is it covers these little hook
What,
things.
these?
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you use those
Yeah,
for?
what am I going to use them for? I have a back box.
All right, so that is mod number 2 in the record books.
In the record books.
So, I'm not sure.
You have to tighten those screws.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you for that.
We've had 2 positives and 1 failure today.
But that's okay.
But that's okay. We'll
So-
get it figured out.
So listen, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, because you know we're gonna be doing more silly stuff, gonna be installing stuff, we're gonna be reviewing stuff, and
Gonna
of
be
course,
buying stuff.
and every once in a while we're actually gonna ride these suckers and put out videos of us riding. Speaking of that, next weekend we're up in Pennsylvania. We're heading back to the O&W with our friends from New York, and so we'll be putting out fresh footage from that. So until then, again, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Mudhawk. We'll see you soon.